the Blizzard version. We have Teleport Enchant, Firebolt. For our gear, it's pretty similar to the Ball Lightning version. There's just a few aspects that are swapped. So we have Shaco on our helmet, Raiment on our chest. We have Frozen Tundra on our gloves. This is for the secondary effect. It makes the ice spikes explode bigger, so it hits more targets, which is a lot more DPS. We have the Bolt Pants, Flipper Step on our boots, Storm Swell on our main hand. We have Rapid Jade on our Relic. This is to make our Glash quicker. We have Tarasha, and we have Ancient Flame on our ring, and Glacier on our necklace. So the main reason we're using this aspect is to make our Arc Lash faster, and what it is this is kind of like a filler, so that whenever we attack, we reduce the cooldown of our evade because of these boots implicit. So the implicit of these boots attacks to reduce evade cooldown by 1.2 seconds. So we press our flash and it reduces our cooldown. Ideally, you would be spamming Blizzard as many times as possible. But what happens is when you're out of mana, you can't attack. So that's how we have our flash to fill in the gaps for whenever we are out of mana. Not to mention that when you are out of mana, you should be pressing Teleport and you get full mana because of your Tibalts. And same with your Flame Shield also gives full mana with your Tibalts. So you have two sources to generate full mana instantly, and if you're still out of mana, then you fill in with Arc Lash. For our powers, we have Tempest, Evernight, Breaking to make things vulnerable at all times, Resource so that we're always full mana cap, so we could just keep spamming more Blizzard. We have Adrenaline, Genesis, Duration, and Tactical. There has been thoughts about pressing the fire support to replace the Fireball, and we could replace Fireball for Fireball, but I feel that the pet doesn't keep up with the pace that you're teleporting, and the uptime on the pet support applying fire is not consistent. So that's why I choose not to use this, and I'd rather have a consistent uptime with Fireballs. For our powers here, we have Arc Lash, Resistance, we max out Teleport, we max out Elemental Attunement, and this gives us another cooldown whenever we have Teleport on cooldown. So you always want to keep pressing Teleport, and this gives you another chance to refresh. We have Lightning Spear, just quality of life, more stuns, so this keeps you alive. And we have some more defensives over here. Over here we have Devouring, this gives you a lot of crit damage. We have more damage over here. I chose this one just to have even more mana, so that way we're always full on mana. And we have Unstable, just so we can have even more attack speed. And over here we have Essus Ferocity. This is also to give us more attack speed with our aspect right here. For our Paragon powers, we have Flame Feeder and Tactician on the Burning Instinct board. We have Elementalist, and we choose Enhancement Master. What this does, it lowers the cooldown on your teleport enchantment by 2.2 seconds, and this helps it have a higher uptime on your teleport. Pretty much it saves you like an extra GCD or two from casting so that it refreshes faster. The next one we have is Unleash. This also gives us some more mana back. We have Ice Ball. The next up we have Stalagmite and Frigid Fate. The next one we have Destruction in the Ceaseless Conduit. And then finally we have Control on the Searing Heat board. This is similar to the other Blizzard build, but we took out points from the exploit and we transferred those points over here so we can have more cooldown reduction on our teleport. Alright, that is it. Both Blizzard and the Ball Lightning versions / Arclash seem to do pretty good. This is just a matter of playstyle. I think Blizzard is just more it's more delayed damage, so it might be a little bit slower than the Ball Lightning, but I think Blizzard is just a lot stronger because of Glacial, and so that you'll be able to do more boss damage if there's any bosses in the gauntlet or any elites that have a lot of health. I think that's where Blizzard will shine. So like enemies that live longer, I think Blizzard might be able to do more damage. But if things are just dying instantly, probably the Ball Lightning is a little bit quicker. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.